how to add Google Analytics to a Lovable project. Now first you need to give Lovable the prompt add Google Analytics, and it is going to ask you if you have a measurement ID, which is going to be your number. Now you want to go to Google Analytics and just go through the setup process. Once you're done, it is going to give you the code here, and I'm just going to select yes, I have it already. What are you building for? I'm going to do a myself here, and yes, I have it already. Submit. So do you have a measurement? Yes, I have it already. Okay, we're gonna click on submit. Okay, so this is gonna make it think, so I'm just gonna give it some time here. Okay, get your ID, so I'm gonna share it right here and give it. Okay, so I've just given it the ID and it's gonna begin thinking. Now once it is gonna think here, we're just going to be patient. It's going to insert it. The tracking is going to start once you publish the app. Okay, so we have to click on publish, and right here we're just going to copy our link. So I'm going to copy our link, go back into Google Analytics, then get tagging instructions. Then we're going to click on add stream web, and using multiple streams, manage different sites, yes. Okay, so here we're just going to paste our website, and the name is gonna be test site, and you want to click on create and continue. Okay, so here it's gonna give you a setup Google tag, so we can just copy this and paste it directly into Lovable. It's gonna give you the stream ID, and once you publish the app, then here you will be able to see your analytics in that field. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.